Dun dun, battle cats. Dee, dee, dee. Hello, battle cats. I'm a YouTuber. Oh, bonus item, clear the green stage. The gray stage to unlock the super rare unit. Green cats. Oh, that looks like a bra. I think it upgrades. Yeah, it upgrades into a bra. Log in daily and collect something. Today's stamp. Okay. Today's stamp. Hooray. Oh, hooray. I'm a Korean. Keep your enemies pinned down with cover fire from Sniper the Cat. Wait, what? From Sniper the... It's supposed to be from a Sniper Cat. Oh, whatever. Let loose a powerful cannon blast that knocks back enemies. No, snipers do not unleash cannon or whatever the hell. I don't even care. Let's start. Ah! Attack! I've already defeated China, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, God. John. Oh, that's me. You call me? I'm God. That's like straight up me. Yeah, no, I don't want you anymore. How do I get rid of you? What? Okay. I got rid of him. Macho Cat. Dude, Macho Cat is bae.
That was fun.
Leveling up my money. Little Macho Cat. Attack. Oh my God, that's a lot of dogs. Attack the doggies. Gah! Attack. Giant cat thing. Oh, they have snakes already. That's just nice. Saving up 200 coins. Attack. 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 Calling in backups. Backups. Yes. No, little guy. Join the group. Okay, there we go. I got this ready, so there's no way they can kill me now. 2. Oh, no, never mind. There is a very big way that they can kill me now. No, this is just nice, isn't it? Oh, I'm dead. Huh? Oh. Oh, hooray! I'm going to die. Attack! I can do this. Oh God, like 3 of my people just died. This is not good. No.
What the hell are you eating?
I'm not eating anything.
Who's eating?
Oh no, they have 2 bosses now. I'm on YouTube. Butthole. Hey, by the way, butthole is my new favorite word. Okay, so.
You done? Detective, you going? Yeah. Oh, well, then thank you.
Screw you, Malachi. Oh, here comes the God. Dun, 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 dun. I could completely use this right now. Hey, Malachi, come here. No, it's the cat God. Heal, peoples. Especially my God and my cat. Attack! Attack the pig! Fight! Kill them! Kill them all! Oh my God, it's a little macho cat. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Holy crud. Attack, swimmer cat! Dun 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 dun. Don't like sense. Attack! Wait, you killed them both? What? How did that even happen? No. And I wasn't paying attention either. I must break down and cry now. Can't see me like this. No. I'm sorry. Wait, dude, I'm totally gonna say it's pretty to like PewDiePie or something. PewDiePie is gay. Attack! We did it! Yes! Defeating 2 bosses at once. And that's how you do it. Ha! Upgrade. Yes, I know I have problems. Special cats. What special cats do I have? I want the ninja cat. A samurai cat. That's pleasant. Okay, that's max. I won't back. Rare cats. Partner cat. Okay. What? That took so much XP. I was not paying attention, was I? Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Oh, guys. Okay, I got to go, guys. Bye.